I didn't write any script. I'm just speaking whatever I feel. Many people think learning English means grammar rules and the big words. But my dear friend, I don't believe it. I am practicing spoken English on camera. I feel nervous when I come in front of the camera, but I still try to speak. If you are scared to speak English, then my dear friend, this video is for you. And let me tell you one thing first. I didn't write any script. I'm just speaking whatever I feel. Many people think learning English means grammar rules and the big words. But my dear friend, I don't believe it. Really. Because the real problem is fear. And why I'm saying this? Because when I started learning English, so that time I was very scared and I couldn't speak at all. But I did one thing. I was afraid of, I started speaking. Really. First with tutors, and then I started my 30 days spoken English challenge. So, yes, just start speaking because fear is nothing. Fear is not real. It is just stopping you from your goal. So, I just want to tell you that just start speaking. And you know what? I started this channel to improve my English step by step. Not fast, not perfect, just honest practice. Sometimes I feel very confident and sometimes I feel nervous. And today I am speaking even with that nervous feeling. Right now I am practicing speaking English. Not with difficult sentences and difficult words. I am choosing simple sentences because simple English is powerful. I speak slowly, I take a pause, I allow myself to think, and I don't want to impress anyone. I just want to improve myself. You know, my dear friends, when we start learning English, so fear comes first. Fear of making mistakes, fear of judgment, right? But if we stop because of fear, we never grow. Yes. And today I am not hiding my mistakes. I am learning, I am practicing, I am continuing. If you are also learning English and you feel scared to speak, then remember one thing. Fluency comes after practicing, not before. Okay? So, you don't need perfect English to start. You just need courage to continue. This is day 10 of my 30 days spoken English challenge, and today's lesson is simple. So, speak when you feel nervous. Speak even when your sentences are simple. Okay, that is how English comes natural. So, I will see you in day 11. Okay, so let's learn together. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep growing. Bye bye.